972 pesos only. To start with, boiled water, a little bit of oil and salt. We have macaroni pasta. We also have mayonnaise. We have Nata De Coco. We will always use Nestle Cream. We have also Angel Kremdensada. We will use Kaong, Monte Fiesta, and Eden cheese. Prepare them all. Always remember that you need to wash your pasta properly. Make it sure that after washing, you drain all the water in your pasta. You need to use a strainer in draining your pasta. Are you ready? Then let's do it. Enjoy making your yummy and so creamy macaroni. Hope you learned something regarding on my video. If you like, please don't forget to follow and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.